Fixing trust problems isn't always straightforward. It's time to make a change if your lack of trust is interfering with your capacity to form fulfilling relationships or is interfering with your life in some other way. If you want to improve your relationships and overcome trust challenges, use the techniques below. 1. Recognize the risk involved in re-establishing confidence. None of us are flawless. We all disappoint others. You must therefore be willing to take the chance that comes with trusting, since you will eventually be let down. However, it does not follow that your connection with that individual should or must end. It involves establishing and outlining clear expectations and boundaries. 2. Recognize how trust functions. Some people don't trust people until they have a reason not to, while others wait until they have reason to. Whether and when you decide to trust someone is entirely up to you. It's acceptable to wait until someone has earned your trust before concluding they can be trusted, particularly if you're healing from a previous betrayal. 3. Take emotional chances. You've got to eventually just dive right in. Whether you choose to trust someone at the start of a relationship or after they have proven themselves deserving of your trust, allow yourself to be vulnerable. 4. Find the source of your trust problems. Keep in mind that trust concerns frequently result from a past betrayal. Do some introspection if you're not sure why you have trust concerns. Consider any previous events that may have contributed to your lack of trust. Understanding your fears and what makes you afraid will help you go past them. Consider talking with a counselor if you require assistance with this. 5. Express yourself openly and frequently. One of the biggest causes of marriages and other partnerships failing is a lack of communication. Be honest with the people in your life and do your share. Also, mention your hesitation to trust to them. 6. Take care of your connections. Every interaction you have helps to increase trust. Start observing these encounters and ask yourself whether the person in question, your new doctor, lover, or coworker, deserves your trust. 7. Give thought to and show gratitude for the people you do trust. If you don't make an effort to express your gratitude to friends and family who have always been there for you, it's easy to take them for granted. Those are the people you can depend on to be a support system when you need one. Furthermore, these interactions can teach you a lot about who, what, why, and how you trust people. 8. Try to have more faith. Try again if you fail and fall back on your distrusting instincts. Regain your faith. Don't stop making oneself known. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.